In the early 2010s, the Archie eReader was poised to revolutionize the way we consumed comic books digitally, with aspirations to make Archie Comics a frontrunner in the digital age. It had an ambitious beginning, promising exclusive content, nostalgic characters, and interactive features. However, the marketing team overshot its focus solely on millennials, forgetting the diverse fan base that ranged from teenagers to baby boomers. Pricing was another blunder, as it was priced higher than leading competitors like the Kindle and Nook, with fewer features to offer in return. Moreover, the timing couldn't have been worse. The digital surge was already dominated by established giants. With better market research and competitive pricing, Archie eReader might have stood a chance. As the memories of this forgotten device linger, one must wonder, could another attempt at modernizing comic books succeed in today's market, or was Archie circling the wrong panels?